Day in India is celebrated on the 15th of September every year in order to mark the birth anniversary of the engineering pioneer of India, Sir Mokshagundam Vishveshwaraya, popularly known as Sir MV, who was the builder of dams and water systems in India. His work not only boosted the irrigation facilities in our country, but also saved a huge number of people from floods. On the auspicious occasion of his birth anniversary, the entire fraternity of DIGPS Alipurduar feel immensely privileged to bestow a holy tribute to the indispensable effort of engineers across the world who serve as the unsung warriors in the field of technological innovation and sustainable development. We thank you for contributing resilient infrastructure to the planet for a better quality of life and social prosperity.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, I am Mohit Bose from Class 5 Techno India Group Public School.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, I am Moina Bose of Techno India Group Public School, Alipurduar.
On 15th of September, Engineers Day celebrated in India.
So let's ask our father, who is an engineer by profession, to throw some light on this. Our father, Himadri Bose.
Respected teachers and students, I am privileged to throw some light in the eve of this Engineers Day. Engineers Day is celebrated on 15 September in India to celebrate the achievements in each and every field of science and technology and feel proud of engineers of our country to celebrate their achievements. In the economic progress and development of a country, engineers play a very crucial role and contributes. The day is devoted to celebrate past accomplishments of engineers and to glorify the future trends in engineering. This is to pay tribute to one of the most prolific engineers of India has ever produced. 15 September is birth anniversary of Sri Mokshagundam Vishveshwaraya. Sir MV was the chief engineer involved in the construction of Krishna Sagar Dam in Mysore, the biggest dam in Asia at that time. Saved Hyderabad city from flooding and saved the Visakhapatnam port from soil erosion. I think this is the time that your determination will help India to progress in the scientific and engineering achievements further. Thank you.
Engineers Day is celebrated annually on the 15th of September in the Indian subcontinent. The day marks the birth anniversary of the visionary engineer Mokshagundam Vishveshwaraya. Thank you and happy Engineers Day.
Good morning to all. Engineering is the best application of available knowledge source with high efficiency. आप अपना काम निपुणता से करें, यही सच्ची इंजीनियरिंग है. I am proud to be engineer and best wishes to all engineers who are working day and night for progress, prosperity, security of the nation. Thank you.
Theodore Roosevelt said a great democracy must be progressive or it will soon cease to be a great democracy.
Plato said that democracy is a charming form of government, full of variety and disorder, and dispensing a sort of equality to equals and unequals alike.
Morning to all the teachers and my dear friends. Today we celebrate International Day of Democracy, a day which provides us an opportunity to recall that democracy is about people. International Day of Democracy on September 15 allows us the opportunity to celebrate and appreciate our democratic society. Democracy refers to a government ruled by the people through representatives that have been elected by the whole population. The main significance of International Day of Democracy is that it provides us an opportunity to urge people, all governments to respect the rights of the citizens and provide a substantive and meaningful participation in democracy. Thus, we can say that International Day of Democracy is a day to educate public on issues of concern, to mobilize political will and resources problems worldwide, and to reinforce the achievements of humanity. If your compassion does not include yourself, it is incomplete. A great democracy has got to be progressive, or soon it will cease to be a great or a democracy.
The spirit of democracy is not just a mechanical thing to be adjusted by abolition of forms. It requires change of heart.
Alfred E. Smith said, "All the ills of democracy can be cured by more democracy."